Welcome to Ken Jason. In this session, let us understand methods of portfolio evaluation. Then, what do you mean by portfolio evaluation? Portfolio evaluation is examining what extent the objective has been achieved. Examining what extent the objective has been achieved. It is the last process in the portfolio management. So, under the portfolio evaluation, investor tries to find out how well the portfolio has performed. How well the portfolio has performed. Portfolio evaluation methods can be classified into three. One is Sharpe ratio. Then second, Tregner ratio. Third one, Jensen ratio. So let us understand one by one. First one, Sharpe ratio. This ratio otherwise called reward to variability ratio. Sharpe ratio can be calculated by applying the formula. The formula is Rp minus Rf divided by sigma p. Here Rp means realized return on the portfolio. Otherwise called as actual return. Then Rf refers to risk-free rate of return. Then sigma p is the standard deviation of portfolio return. Otherwise we can call it as total risk. Okay. Then second one, Tregner ratio. Otherwise called reward to volatility ratio. Tregner ratio can be calculated by using the formula, that is Rp minus Rf divided by beta p. Here Rp is the realized return on the portfolio or actual return. Then Rf is the risk-free rate of return. Then what about beta p? Beta p is the systematic risk or portfolio beta. Then third one, Jensen ratio. Jensen ratio otherwise called differential return. It can be calculated by using the formula alpha p equal to Rp minus ERP. Here alpha p is the differential return. That is differential return equal to Rp. Rp means realized return on the portfolio or actual return. Then what about ERP? ERP is the expected return which is calculated using capital asset pricing model. Then how to calculate ERP? ERP equal to Rf plus beta p into Rm minus Rf. So here Rf is the risk-free rate of return. Beta p is the, we already discussed it, beta p. Then Rm is the return on market index. Then Rf is the risk-free rate. What about beta p? It is a portfolio beta or systematic risk. Rf risk-free rate of return. In sum up, the portfolio evaluation can be classified. Evaluation methods can be classified into three. One is Sharpe ratio, then Tregner ratio, then Jensen ratio. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe channel for more commerce classes.